Jesus, 987. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. Today I'm going to be doing something a little fun. Today I'm going to try and do my makeup within 10 minutes. Like, I don't know how that's going to work, but I'm about to try it. I feel like I won't even be done with anything, but I'm gonna try. I will try to do it for you guys. So I'm going to time myself for 10 minutes and try to do the most I can do and see. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Before you do start watching, please like, please comment, please share, please subscribe. Moisturize my face with Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, and I've put that all over my face. So right now I'm going to start with my foundation. By the way, I have been down with cold, that's why my voice is kind of froggy. But yes, I'm not gonna let that stop me from filming for you guys. So yes, please keep on watching. First thing I'm going to do is set my timer for 10 minutes, and let's just do that right now. I've already arranged everything I need, so it's going to be a little bit easier for me. So yes, 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes and I'm going to start it now. I'm scared. I'm so scared to even start it. Okay, let's do this. Start. I have started it. So 10 minutes, I'm counting. Contour Black Opal foundation stick. I'm going to go in like that. I might not even get to brows. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay. So that contour was a little low, but try. Have you guys ever done your makeup within 10 minutes? Just let me know. Are you able to do your full makeup routine within 10 minutes? If you can, let me know. Because you're a champ, my dear. Like, you're good. Brows. Just going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to be using this Roundel eyebrow pencil. Three minutes left. Oh my days. I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm not about to draw it or anything because there's no time. And I'm trying to do everything within 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I think I tried for the brows. Like, I've never done makeup this fast in my life. I don't really like baking because This stuff is too light, the powder is too light, so I dust it off. What else? Let me go to the lipstick. Jesus, 1 more minute left, you guys. I'm just going to put new lipstick. I think I tried it. I still have 1 minute left. I'm going to put my mascara. No eyeshadow for this look, my guys. I can't do eyeshadow within 10 minutes. I just can't. Like, it's not even possible for me. Ah, 38 seconds. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay. Jesus, 19 seconds. People of God. I need my powder. So I'm going to apply my face powder right now. Jesus. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh my god, it's done. It's not bad. For 10 minutes, it's not bad. I got my contour in, I got my highlight, foundation, everything. Like, it's so neutral, so like soft. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Till then, my loves, bye.